Hello, this is me again. I got my mail from my friend Martha. Ano nga ba yung pangalan ng kanyang ano? Ito. Kunan mo siya. Hello Martha, it's me. I received your mail. Thank you very much. Okay. I want to show you my this is ay, nalaglag. Where are you?
Isali mo muna.
Where are you nalaglag?
Isali mo muna.
Ha?
Isali mo muna.
Oo. Okay. Here. Chanel. Ano sample to? From Chanel. One. And this is from Calvin Klein. Yan yung laman niya. Takbo. Ito, Chanel number 5. Ito ang laman niya rin. Nakikita? So, Chanel Chance. Coco Chanel. Chanel Chance again. And Calvin Klein. I have my mascara Chanel. And ano kaya ito?
Moisturizer, ano?
Moisturizer from
Origins.
and then another Chanel moisturizer, very cute. Nakikita yung mukha ko? Dapat hindi na ay kataba.
Hindi na.
Tapos ito yung ano kulay niya. Tingnan natin. Madilim yun, no?
Violet.
Ganda. Okay, madilim. Tapos, ano ito? Cactus. Lotus cactus. Eye makeup. And the last but not the least, ano ito? Precision Chanel for cleaning. Two colors. Maganda yata ito. Maganda ito, no? And this came from Martha. Thank you, Martha! And this is the bag.
Liz.
Pouch.
Liz, sabihin mo na ano, check out her channel.
She is my friend. Anong pangalan ng ano niya?
Lily X Marie.
Lily X?
Marie.
Lily X Marie. You can visit her channel, Lily X Marie.
And subscribe to her.
And subscribe. She is very nice friend. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for this.